Hello, it's snappy lesson time. Today we're learning about the long vowel sound A. When people don't hear something properly, sometimes they put their hand behind their ear and they say A. Can you do that now? A. Say the sounds. We've got N, K, W, Th with your tongue out and Ch. Do you remember this new sound? It's A. It's made of an A and an I joined together. It's called a vowel digraph. So we join the A and the I together like that to say A. Let's blend the sounds. Say the word before I do. W-A-T. Says wait. S-A-L. Says sail. T-R-A-N. Says train. P-A-D. Says paid. Here's our short vowel A and our long vowel A. Let's start by making pan. P-A-N, P-A. We need the short vowel, don't we? N, P-A-N, pan. Now we'll make pain. P-A-N. We need the long vowel. P-A-N, pain. Now we'll make pail. P-A-L. This sort of pail is a bucket. P-A-L, pail. Let's change it to sail. S-A-L. Change the first sound. S-A-L, sail. Now let's make snail. S-N-A-L. 4 sounds. S-N-A-L, snail. Now let's make nail. N-A-L. Back to 3 sounds. N-A-L, nail. Now let's make rail. R-A-L. Like the rails that trains run on. R-A-L, rail. And now let's make rain. R-A-N. Change the last sound. R-A-N, rain. And now we'll make ran. R-A-N. We need the short vowel sound again, don't we? R-A-N, ran. What's this sound in yellow in the middle? It's A. Now read the word. Paid. Paid. Here's our sound again. Read this one. T-A-L, tail. P-A-N-T, paint. B-R-A-N, brain. Try reading these tricky words. was, was, which says was. And this one, she, was and she. Can you spot the A sound in this sentence? Have a look. It's over here, isn't it? Now read the sentence. The dog, dog, wags, wags, its, tail, tail. The dog wags its tail. There are two A sounds in this sentence. Can you see them? There's one here and there's one down here. Now try reading. It, was, which says was, long, wait, in the rain. It was a long wait in the rain. And can you find the two A sounds in this sentence? There's one here and there's one here. Now try reading. She went to Spain. Spain on a train. She went to Spain on a train. See if you can read all the sentences now. Have a go. Are you ready with your pencil and paper? Let's write some sounds now. The first one to write is h. Write h. H is tall, start at the top, straight down to the line, over the hill and a flick. Now, driving my aeroplane. Start at the top, straight down to the line, over the hill and a flick. Now, k, curly k. Start at the top and go away from the sun and sit on the line. Now, wah. Start at the top, down, up, down, up. Now, ch. Ch is a consonant digraph, 2 letters making one sound, curly k and a h joined together to say ch. And now th, the tongue out sound. Th is also a consonant digraph with a t and a h joined together like that. Th. Well done. Let's write the new sound A. It's a vowel digraph. It's made up of 2 letters, a, I, joined together. A, I. That's the A sound. A, I. Saying A. You write it now. A, I. Did you write the A sound? Now split these words into sounds and try and say how many sounds they've got before I do. The first word is rain. A, N, 3 sounds. Plain. A, N, 4 sounds. Sail. A, 3 sounds. Paint. A, N, T, 4 sounds. Did you get those? Now pick up your pencil again and we'll try spelling some words with the A sound. Spell rain. Tap and write rain. A, N, 3 sounds. A, N. A, N. Rain. Now we'll write train. Tap and write train. A, N. A, N. A, N. Train. And now we'll write snail. Tap and write snail. S, N, A, L. S, N, A, U, S, N, A, U. So we've written rain, train, snail. Good writing. Do you remember how to write the tricky word she? Sh, E, two sounds. Sh, E, sh. And an E for the E sound. And if we need it with a capital letter, sh, E, it's like this. Sh. And an F for the E, because remember, capital letters don't join on to the next letter. Our sentence today is, she had a long wait in the rain. Start by writing she with that capital letter. Sh, E, sh, E, sh. And an F for the E. Leave a space. Had. Tap and write. A, D, A, D, A, D, A. A we spell as A. Long. Tap and write long. L, O, N, L, O, N, L, O, N. Wait. Tap and write. Wait. Ate. 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 In. Tap and write. In. I, n, I, n, I, n, the. Tricky word, the. V, v, v with a t and a h and an e for the Rain. Tap and write rain. A, n. A, n. a, n, with a full stop at the end of the sentence. So we've written, she had a long wait in the rain. That was a long sentence, wasn't it? Good writing. In this tricky word, the E is saying E again. B-E, B. So in this one, we've got B-E, B, G-A-N, gan, began. And in this one, the O is saying O, N-O, no. So you try and read them now. B-E, B, B-E, B, G-A-N, gan, began, and N-O, no. Oh, look, here's our new suffix, ing, ing. So our story is called Fish, fish, ing, ing. Fish, ing, fishing. Ben, ben, went, went, fish, fish, ing, ing, fishing, with, with, a rod, rod, and, a pail, pail. Ben went fishing with a rod and a pail. It's his, bait, bait, was, was, in, a tin. His bait was in a tin. Bait is what you put on the end of your fishing line to catch the fish. It was a long wait. It was a long wait. It, B-E-B-G-A-N, gan, began, to rain, rain. It began to rain. Then, he felt a tug. Then he felt a tug. Do you think he's caught a fish? Was, was, it, a fish, fish. Was it a fish? Yes, yes. Ben, ben, uift, lift, ed, lift, ed, lifted, is, his, rod, rod. Ben lifted his rod. Then, the fish, fish, flick, flicked, flicked, its, tail, tail. Then the fish flicked its tail. It swam off. It swam off. No, luck, Ben. No luck, Ben. But, the fish, was, glad, but the fish was glad. And, ben, had, his, ship, to, sail, and Ben had his ship to sail. Have you ever made a boat out of newspaper like that? These Snappy Lesson videos are solely for the use of the purchasing school or individual and must not be circulated to any other organisation or individual without prior permission from Marlin Grant and Jackie Day.